Today, we will discuss BotPress and Dialogflow. Capabilities are incorporated into both platforms, enabling chatbots to decipher human intents and glean pertinent data from user input. The fundamental functionality remains the same, despite variations in the specific NLU engines and their performance. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. BotPress is open source and self-hosting, provides you with more control over your data and infrastructure by offering the flexibility of self-hosting, customization, very adaptable, enabling more specialized chatbot interactions. A visual interface for creating intricate dialogue flows is offered by Visual Flow Builder. More commands over the whole chatbot stack, strong emphasis on tools for developers. Dialogflow Strong Natural Language Understanding or NLU. Dialogflow is able to comprehend user intents thanks to Google's AI. Google Cloud integration easily connects to other Google Cloud services. Ease of use, generally regarded as easy to use, particularly for people who are acquainted with the Google ecosystem. Wide adoption, it has a huge user base because it is a Google product. All in all, both platforms are made to make it possible to create conversational AI experiences. They offer the resources required to create chatbots that can communicate with users in natural language. This parallel shows that despite serving quite distinct purposes and tastes, both Press and Dialogflow are both effective resources for creating conversational AI.